is my first vlog back in Canada. I just left work not too long, but I am at UPS picking up my bridesmaid dress for SZN3's wedding. Up. I'm so excited. I get to see them so soon. And yeah, so I'm gonna go pick up my dress right now. And yeah, so see you guys in a little bit. So guess what, guys? Ross, did I ruin my shoes? Me never get no fucking dress. Here one now. The lady went my car last week Friday because I'm supposed to come drop it off at my yard. I can get the bus from here, right? Anyways, I'm supposed to come drop it off at my yard, right? And them never come. Them come, but I was at work, and apparently I'm supposed to pay some fucking tariff fees or whatever the case may be. Sorry if you guys can't see me, but yeah, I just let go. I am in the direction of the good lighting. So yeah, so them never get for drop it off or whatever. So they were supposed to come back and bring it when we reach home, but the people that are coming from private, and not that I'm not answer no private, but my phone is on mute all the time. Like, I don't like vibrate, I don't like loud noises. Like, my phone is always on mute. I missed the 2 calls, so they dropped it off here, which is fine because it's not far from me. But now the lady was like, they accept everything there, cash, credit, debit, blah blah blah. They don't accept fucking cash, and that's what I have on me. So I'm gonna go to school. So I'm gonna just have to go home and wait until Bae comes with the car, and then just take the car and come back. And yeah, I'm annoyed because I just wasted $3 to come here and I can't get what I need. So I'm annoyed. Now I'm gonna have to pay gas and come back. Fuck my life, but I'll see you guys when I'm coming back.
I win a love life.
We do it for the love with happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday, dear. Come on. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
The kid.
How old are you now? Are you 10? Are you 20? Are you 21? Are you 22? Are you 23? Are you 24? Are you 25? Are you 26? Are you 27? Woo!
Lost your 72 candles.
Watch the saliva. It's over there.
Happy birthday.
Do you have anything to say, or did you say what you had to say already?
Birthday.
Did you say something?
Happy birthday. No, we're solo.
Yes, no, maybe so. Some girl can't do that there with shame, cause she could have become too much name. Many pie, many girl, many pie, many, so we do it when we boss up. Yes, long time. Long time.
For Snapchat, not for...
Any pie, any girl, many pie, many. Pretty girl with a body every time and anybody.
And then you have people sleeping on the bed.
Hold on, everyone. So she hurting and but she don't care. You're right. Be a gun job on road now, everybody I know job up. She is gone. Tanika is gone. Like, she's gone. Keisha's gone. This guy is gone. Everyone's gone. She wants drunken sex. Try to drunk off her man. It's like too much. When you cover it, it every dance, baby.
Man cheat, but woman cheat too. We fuck around with just the wrong people. If man are wicked, then woman are evil. All I say, that's what you want. Pretty girl, no say typical. Give me all of your love, me give you recipients. Find your phone, me give you with lyrical. But you in a person, give you the physical. Oh yeah. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Hi guys! Oh my god, hi guys! So, wait, hold on, let me pause. Hello? So, anyways, hi guys, it's Friday now. And I'm here, I'm not sleeping. As you can see, my hair is done. Yes, oh my god, I'm naked. But yeah, my hair is done. I had to do my hair specifically like this, but the lights so bright for somebody's request and stuff. But yeah, I have like a treat for una. Someone already know, because you know, like, the excitement is just so fucking real. But some of you guys know, but you guys will know the surprise like within a few minutes of this vlog. No, actually, maybe not within a few minutes of this vlog, but actually, yeah, maybe. Depending on how I end off this vlog or whatever the case may be. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I just decided to pick up the camera and just say hi to you guys, because I have not, because I've been getting ready for this surprise. So yeah, a lot of things are about to happen, you know. I'm getting ready, and yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's see, let's just have a little quick chit chat, a little update. I'm back from Jamaica. I hope you guys like the vlogs. I thought personally they were quite boring because it was just a horrible trip. I hated that trip. I want to fully erase it out of my memories. And yeah, I've just been really behind the scenes. As I said, I'm getting ready for this surprise. Yeah, excuse me, sorry. And there's just been a lot like just going on like behind the scenes or whatever. But I think everything is back to normal now. Life is back on track and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's all that's really been going on. And like, I've just been spending time with like my friends, going out, you know, just spending time with the people close to me and stuff like that. And just enjoying the rest of 2017, I guess. Yeah, I know I've said it a lot this year, but I just haven't really been motivated to put out any content or anything like that. Like, if I go out and I vlog, yeah, like sometimes my content, even for the vlogs, it's not even that great, but I just put it out there to put it out there, and I don't want to be that type of a YouTuber. Sometimes I ask myself, do I even want to be a YouTuber anymore? But I love YouTube. I love YouTube, but it's just not the same anymore. Like, it's just not the same anymore. Like, yeah, you can be like, yeah, I love creating content and just putting it out there, but at the same time, it's like, you want your stuff to be seen in a sense. I don't want anybody to be like, oh, it's for the money or whatever the case may be. It's not like that. But like, if I put out something, like, I want people to see it, especially when your views don't match your subscriber count. That's when it's like, okay, like, what am I doing wrong, or what can I do better, or, you know, along the lines of like that. So that's just what it is sometimes. And yeah, as I said, there's just been like stuff just going on, so I just really haven't had the time. I think like once the new year starts, we'll see how the rest of the year goes, but I feel like once the new year starts, then things will be different. And so yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do right now. It's after 12, and I have a couple more hours till I gotta get up. So I'm gonna go do what I have to do, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I don't know if this is the end of the vlog. If not, then I'll see you in the next clip. If it is the end of the vlog, then I will see you guys in the next vlog.